It's technically Monday. It's 4:30 in the morning, Monday, and it's November 3 already. So by now, siguro naman alam niyo na, natapos na ang DST or Daylight Savings Time. Sa ating mga virtual assistants out there, this is very important to take note of kasi mag-a-adjust na tayo ng oras. So, if gumagamit ka ng Google Calendar, katulad ko, automatic yung mag-a-adjust as long as yung primary calendar mo or yung primary time zone mo is nag-recognize ng daylight savings. I'll show you. So first, go muna to your settings and then check your primary time zone. As you can see, my primary time zone is Central Time, and this area or this time zone do recognize daylight savings. So balik tayo ngayon dito sa calendar. Ayan. November 2 pa ngayon. So if you look at, kita mo to, busy 7:45 a.m. Okay? This is tomorrow, Monday. Pero, last week, bakit ganun? Okay. Sorry, mali pala ako. Tama. So, ito, 7:45 a.m. Pero ang oras niya is 10 p.m. Manila time, Philippine time. Okay? Pero last week, yung 7:45 ko is 9 p.m. Manila time. Okay? So, automatic yan nag-a-adjust. Again, 7:45 pa rin kasi CT or Central Time. Pero Manila time, 8 p.m. 10 p.m. na. So, instead na last week, 9 p.m. yung pasok ko, ngayon, 10 p.m. na yung pasok ko. So, nag-a-adjust tayo ng 1 hour. Yan. So, yun ang end ng daylight savings. And kailan magsisimula ulit ang daylight savings? It will start on March 8, 2026. And if naka-Google Calendar kayo, again, automatic yan mag-a-adjust. So as a virtual assistant, ano ba ang bearing nito? So kailangan lang you have to make sure na kung may mga ka-meeting yung client mo that does not recognize daylight savings time, you have to anong tawag dito, to just make them aware, check nyo yung mga meetings na scheduled starting next week. Yan, ganun lang. You just have to, very minimal lang naman, hindi naman malaki yung impact niya or whatever, but syempre malaki yung magiging impact niya to those countries na hindi nagre-recognize ng daylight savings. So you just have to review yung mga meetings ng client mo, especially virtual meetings sa mga client mo. If you want more freelancing tips, follow me.